recording, yes.
So welcome back to Oakland Breastfeeding Festival, and it is latch on time. So when I give the signal, we're going to, those of us who are blessed to be lactating today, will be feeding their beautiful babies for about a minute. And then this is a minute of solidarity with all the breastfeeding mamas, all the breastfeeding families here in Oakland, Alameda County, state of California, the whole wide world. So I am going to let's start right now, and let us have a minute of pretty music and lactation.
Woohoo! Go breastfeeding mamas!